Yeah, and I think I got one.
Hello, welcome to my first lesson on HTML. In this section, we'll be looking at the introductory concept to HTML. My name is Samuel, and I'll be taking you through this section. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the introduction to HTML, markup languages, HTML and CSS, and then text editors. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of web pages using markups. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are presented by tags. What is a markup language? A markup language is a computer language that uses tags to define elements within a document. It is human readable, meaning markup files contain standard words rather than typical programming syntax. Examples of markup languages are P, HR, B, I, and many more. Do not worry yourself about these. As we move on, you get to understand them better. Now, what is the difference between HTML and CSS? HTML provides the basic structure of every website. As we first said, it also stands for Hypertext Markup Language. When we associate it to human beings, it is like the skeleton of every human being. It provides the framework. In relation to websites, it provides the basic structure of every website. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to add various decorations, features to a website to make it look more attractive. So with human beings, you can talk of the hair color, you can talk of the skin color, the eye color, and many more. So HTML is the basic structure, whereas CSS adds beautification to the HTML document. Now let's move on to look at text editors. When we talk of text editors, they are programs that provide the playground on which we write our HTML documents. Examples of text editors is the common Notepad, which can be found on all Windows operating systems. We can talk of Visual Studio, Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Atom. To download any of these, Visual Studio or Sublime Text, you can follow the link here, then you get it. In our next tutorial, we'll be looking at the basic structure of HTML document, and that is where we will look at how to create our first HTML page. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.